Good morning all. Today we shall discuss about oxidation and reduction reactions. Coming to the definition of oxidation reaction, the reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed is called oxidation reaction. So either of the two things will occur there. Either oxygen will be added or hydrogen will be removed. Similarly, there is reduction reaction. So the reaction in which hydrogen is added or oxygen is removed is called reduction reaction. So in this reaction, either of the reactions will occur, means hydrogen will be added or oxygen will be removed. After going through the reactions, we will get clarity. We shall go for some reactions in which oxygen is added. See, in the first reaction, magnesium to which oxygen is added and magnesium oxide is formed. In the second reaction, to copper, oxygen is added and copper oxide is formed. In the third reaction, carbon is burnt in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Here is also oxygen is added and the reaction is called oxidation reaction. See another two reactions. Hydrogen sulfide undergoes a reaction to form sulfur and hydrogen. Similarly, ammonia, it is converted into nitrogen and hydrogen. In both the cases, we find that hydrogen is removed, and these reactions are also called oxidation reaction. Examples of reduction reaction. So reduction we have discussed. Either it is addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. In the first reaction, we can see that ethene C2H4, it reacts with hydrogen to form ethane. So this is a reduction reaction in which hydrogen is added. Another example, chlorine gas plus hydrogen giving rise to hydrochloric acid. So here also hydrogen is added and a new substance is formed called hydrochloric acid. This is also an example of reduction reaction. Coming to removal of oxygen, we have two reactions here. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes to give your water and oxygen. This is a reduction reaction. Also sodium chloride, when heat is given to it, it forms sodium chloride and oxygen. So in both cases we find that oxygen is removed, hence these reactions are also called reduction reactions. In many reactions, the oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously. So those reactions are called redox reactions. So a chemical reaction in which both oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously, the reaction is called redox reaction. Here is an example, copper oxide, it reacts with hydrogen to form copper and water. See, from copper oxide, oxygen is removed. This removal of oxygen is called reduction. So copper is formed, and that oxygen combines with our hydrogen to form water. This is called oxidation. So both reactions occur together. You see in another example, zinc oxide reacts with carbon to form zinc and carbon monoxide. Here we can see that oxygen is removed from zinc oxide to give zinc. So this process is called reduction, and that oxygen which is removed, again it combines with carbon to form carbon monoxide. So this is also an example of redox reaction. Let us now discuss about corrosion. When a metal is attacked by substances around it like moisture, acids, etc. The process is called corrosion. The examples are rusting of iron. Some browny powder is formed on iron and this is called rust. Then blackening of silver which forms black coating over it. In case of copper, there is a green coating formed on it, and all these are called corrosions. Now the adverse effects of corrosion. It causes damages to car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, and many places. So to manage this corrosion, a lot of amount of money is wasted in either painting or replacing the iron metal. Now come to rancidity. When the fat or oil containing foods are left for a long time, the fat and oil are oxidized. Their smell and taste changes to bad. This process is called rancidity. To prevent rancidity, we can do the following things. We can add antioxidants to foods containing fats and oils to prevent them from oxidation. Also, we can keep the food in airtight container with gases like nitrogen which slows down or prevents the oxidation process. Thank you. Have a good day. This ends the first chapter. For further queries and doubts, please message to 89843302999. So the doubts will be clarified there. Have a good start with the new chapter. So in the next classes, we'll be dealing with one chapter from physics. Thank you all for watching. I would request you to subscribe, comment, and also recommend others for subscribing. Thank you.